Would you like a complete business in a box? I'm talking where everything is done for you. You literally don't have to do a single thing except go and take the stuff, maybe do a bit of customization and start selling. If that sounds interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about my review of YouTube podcasting PLR. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for YouTube Podcasting PLR. Now, this is from my friend Charles. Now, Charles does some amazing quality stuff. He always puts together some of the best materials I've ever seen, and this is definitely no exception. I'm going to play for you a sample because you have it popped out for you in just a second. Basically, what this is going to teach you is exactly how to create a profitable podcasting business with YouTube, but as it also comes with full PLR. So basically, that means you have a complete business in a box where you literally have everything set up. It's gonna come with a lead magnet page, sell it, give it away as a lead magnet, use it as a bonus, whatever you want to do with it, you get to do with it. But of course, this would not be a man in the hat review. Okay, yeah, I know you're the man in that also, but I'm right now I'm the man in that. Okay, thank you. Anyway, but seriously, it would not be one of my reviews if I wasn't giving you an insane bonus. I want to show you exactly what's included in my bonus here. So check this out. The first thing I'm giving you is my own guide to podcasting, which I wrote a little while back. It does come with full PLR rights. You can sell it, give it away, use it as your own bonus. Even comes with ready-made mock-ups that you can use when you sell it or give it away. I'm also going to give you 300 ready-to-use customizable logo templates. You can actually customize with completely free software in about a minute. And the nice thing is you can actually sell these things for a profit. So you can, of course, you can customize it for your customers, more customers for your customers to give them a really nice bonus. You can also sell them, use them as you like. That's yours. It's up to you. Plus, I'm also going to give you video intros. You know how I have my own video intro? Well, now you can do that too. I'm going to give you 10 ready-to-use video intros that you can customize, again, using free software, and they do come with full PLR rights. You can sell them, give them away, use them as a custom bonus. Actually, I got to fix that over here. These intros, not bonuses. See? Okay. Anyway, but we also have, of course, my exclusive list of 30 websites to sell your service. You don't need to see that part of this. Sell my sell your services on. Okay, I'm the only person who gives this to you because this way you don't have to worry about where to sell. I'm going to give you also my course on offer versus commodity. This is super valuable information that I spent a lot of money to learn about. You're going to get it completely for free. And you get to sell my course, give it away, use it as your own bonus. And then when you pick up any upgrade, this is unusual. I don't usually do this, but I really, really respect Charles a lot. Pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you dozens of templates to create custom mockups, just like you see here. Again, using free software. And I will also give you over 2,500 video clips, plus my guide to use free software to customize videos for your customers. So again, you're going to get all of that included. So all these courses, of course, come with the basic package, which currently, as I'm recording, this is $8.19. Of course, it's a dime sale. It will keep going up, but you're going to get all these things included for you when you pick this up. Let me play for you a really quick sample video here.
Or podcast. If you go to the YouTube front page, depending on when you see this video, you can go to a link that says podcast. That's going to take you to an area of the site specifically for podcasts. In some cases, the podcasts are going to be videos that have been translated into podcasts. In other cases, they're going to be audio that have been made into videos specifically for the podcast format. If you already have a podcast and you have some pre-made connections, in many cases,
I'm not going to keep playing this, but you can see it's very well made. The recording is very, very clear and crisp, and you get full PLR rights to these videos. Again, it also comes with a lead magnet page that you can set up so you can give it away. And as I'm recording this right now, the price is a whopping $8.19. Okay, you do get full PLR rights on this thing. So really, really an incredible package, complete with what I'm going to be giving you. You know, you may be wondering why I don't record videos every single day. And the reason is that I will only ever show you stuff that I think is good. I don't like you to end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Yeah, Bart, but this actually is not crap. Okay, this is actually good stuff. This is the kind of stuff that people really need. So yeah, that's why I do that. But seriously, you know, if you are determined to make it online, then you need to have quality stuff. You need to have, if you're gonna buy PLR, you really don't want the junk, because if you put out PLR which is junk, then people are going to say, oh, this guy doesn't have anything worth getting. And that is why you won't see me promoting every single thing, even if it's selling well. If I don't feel that it's worth something, you won't see me promoting it, you know, because as far as I'm concerned, being an entrepreneur means more than just selling somebody something, even if it's junk.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yeah, thank you, Liz. I appreciate that. Yes, I am very successful. Okay, but seriously, I want you to get quality stuff, and that is why I was waiting to put something together until I saw something that was quality, like what Charles puts together. That's why you don't see me promoting every single thing all the time. You don't see me bombarding you every single day with another offer, because some of them aren't worth bothering to buy. And if they're not worth bothering to buy, I'm not going to be promoting it to you. It's that simple. Now, of course, as always, for those who are not familiar, we are going to see whether or not I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
Okay. You the man!
Okay, yeah, seriously. Okay, you the man. This really is an incredible product. Charles always puts out quality stuff. This one is worth picking up. Grab this. You are absolutely going to love it.